Hey everybody, welcome back. So I'm going to be showing you how to add a custom domain to Google Sites. You can see we are on Google Sites currently. Let me just show you. So this is how it looks. And let's just say you want to add a custom domain. So for that, let's just say you build a platform. Let me just open this so you have a better idea and you are working on your website. Now it's time to simply add a custom domain. Okay, head over to settings. Here we have custom domains and simply click on add custom domain, add it in here. Once you have it that, and now it is going to be checking that whether it is valid or not. So let me just add something which is valid, like for example cats.com. Now we need to verify its ownership first. Once we head over to this section, and we're going to be adding in here the ownership verification, and then we have final step, which is going to be adding our custom domain to our particular site. Really simple, straightforward, and I hope this helps.